we are going to see about the tsunami. Okay, so what are the tsunamis? Tsunami is series of water waves. These are series of water waves water waves caused by displacement of displacement of large volume of water. Of water displacement of large volume of water body of water large water body, usually your ocean. Usually ocean, that is the definition. Series of water waves caused by the displacement of large volume of water body, usually ocean, is called as tsunami. Now here you see how these tsunamis are formed. First, formed or caused. See, first one, generally it is caused by tsunamis are generally, suppose you see this is your earth surface, sorry, ocean bottom, okay, and here there is a displacement occurred like this. This is a displacement that has taken place. Now this is a displacement, huge displacement has taken place. Now what will happen? Rapid movement of whole water. Here there will be a rapid movement. I'll draw with another pen. There will be a rapid movement okay, there is a rapid movement here. Just a minute. This is a rapid movement. Okay, now you see what will happen. Now here there is a displacement took place. You can see here there is a displacement took place. Now first is rapid movement of whole water of column. Rapid movement of whole water column. Okay, water column. Rapid movement of whole water column. Now why this has caused? Why this has caused here? It is caused by earthquakes. It is caused by volcanic eruptions, or it is caused by landslides, or it is also caused by your meteorological events. Okay, some meteorological events that has taken place. Now what will happen here? A series of waves travel outward of high speed. A series of, here you can see, series of waves will travel outward at high speed and low wave height. Here it will be low wave height. Wavelength will be more, but wave height is less, with low wave height. Now you see this is approaching the coast. Here they are approaching the coast, these waves. So the waves approaches the land, the speed decreases as waves approaches coast. The wavelength decreases and wave height increases in this place. Wave height will be increased. Now what will happen? as the wave height, here it will be much higher. So wave height will impact on the land. There will be landfall. Waves which impact the coast may be separated by hours, and first wave may not be the largest. This is the first wave. It not be may largest, but it will be. So in India, what are the major sources? Tsunami sources region. Tsunami source regions is source regions for Indian Ocean. In the Indian Ocean, it is Andaman and Sumatran region. Andaman and Sumatra region. Second, Makaran region, okay, near the Indonesia. So these are some of the zones. Now what are the measures? You see, you can write, there are two types of measures: structural measures and non-structural measures. One is structural and the other is non-structural measures. Non-structural measures, you can write first one, the structural measures. Structural measures, what is an impact? Generally loss of lives, etc. Okay, property, lives, flooding conditions, etc. Okay, now right, structural measures. First one, plantation of mangroves and coastal forest. Plantation of mangroves and coastal forest along the coastline. Plantation of mangroves and coastal forest along the coastline. Second, development of network of local knowledge centers. Development of network of local knowledge centers. Okay. Third, construction of location specific sea walls. Location specific sea walls and coral reefs with consultation of experts. Constructions of location specific sea walls. Next, fourth one, development of breakwater along the coast. Development of breakwater along the coast to provide necessary cushion against the tsunami hazards. Necessary cushion against the tsunami hazards. Okay. Fifth, development of tsunami detection. Development of tsunami detection, forecasting and warning dissemination centers. Okay, now write non-structural measures. First, strict implementation of coastal zone regulation, CRZ. Strict implementation of coastal zone regulation. Second, mapping of coastal areas for multiple hazards. Mapping of coastal areas for multiple hazards, comma, vulnerability and risk analysis up to village level. Next one, developing tools and techniques for risk transfer in highly vulnerable areas. Okay. Next, awareness generation and training among the fishermen, coast guards and other officials. Next, studies focusing on tsunami risk in India. Taken under NCRM, National Coastal Regulation Management. Okay, zone regulation management. Then capacity building requirement for local people and administration. Capacity building. Okay, now there is a warning center called as, you write next point, warning center, Indian National Center for Ocean Information Science, Hyderabad. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Science, Hyderabad. Okay, so these are the topics about your cyclone.